Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today my topic is for advanced English language learners and the topic is about common phrasal use of merely and some aphorisms using merely. तो पहले मैं यहाँ से आपको पढ़ाऊंगा common phrasal use of merely. For example, here number one, merely serves to, merely reflects, merely indicates, merely underscores, and there are much more examples. You can yourself make them as well. And here I have given you just 4 examples to give you an idea that you may yourself be able to make phrasal use of merely by yourself, and you may be able by yourself, and this for advanced English language learners. And here are examples I have given here. For example, his apology merely serves to highlight his guilt. उसकी अपॉल जो है वो merely सर्व करती है उसके गिल्ट को हाईलाइट करने के लिए. Merely reflects, example में the drop in sales merely reflects seasonal variation. ड्रॉप जो सेल्स में हुआ है वो महज रिफ्लेक्ट करता है सीजनल वेरिएशन को. Merely indicates, example, the symbol merely indicates ownership not quality. Symbols merely indicate करता है ownership को ना कि quality को. Merely underscores, example, his silence merely underscores the depth of his resentment. उसकी खामोशी सिर्फ अंडरस्कोर करती है डेप्थ ऑफ हिज रिजेंटमेंट को. तो ये मैंने एग्जांपल्स दे दिए कि कैसे हम merely को फ्रेज में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो आप इससे भी ज्यादा फ्रेजेस खुद भी बना सकते हैं एंड इट इज मच मोर इजी एंड यू कैन डू देम. एंड हियर मैंने 4 एग्जांपल्स दे दिए कि आपके आइडिया में आने के लिए कि आप इसको कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Now I have some aphorisms using merely, and I have given here some 4 examples. You can go through them, and there are much more examples as well. But this is for an idea that how you can go ahead in English language, how you can go further in understanding and learning and speaking English language. And these are here. For example, happiness is not merely pleasure; it is a joy of achievement. This is by George Bernard Shaw. And second is words are, of course, the most powerful drug used by mankind, but they are merely tools in wise hands. Rudyard Kipling. And number 3, we do not merely destroy our enemies, we change them. This is by George Orwell. And faith is not merely a feeling, it is a decision to trust. This is by William James. So these are some examples I have taken for you so that you can get an idea how merely has been used in aphorisms as well. And this is why I take different aspects of learning English language or understanding English language, and why do I include much more these colorful ideas so that you may be very comfortable in understanding, learning, and speaking English language. That is why what for I'm here. And this is all about today. Until next topic.